welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video I am going to explain one more concept in the chapter ratio and proportion. Actually based on the ratio we completed all the questions. Now I am going to explain what is proportion, and based on the proportion we have sums, that also I will explain. Okay. Now before going to sums, just what is proportion? Okay. Equality of ratio is called proportion, or equality of ratio is called proportion. Here equality of ratio is proportion. Just to definition, what is proportion? Equality of ratio is proportion. Equality of ratio is proportion. In general, if you take, if A and B, if the ratio A and B and ratio of C and D, if a ratio of A and B and C and D are equal, or if the ratio of A and B and C and D are equal, then we can say that A is to B is as C is to D. Okay, we can represent it as A is to B is as C is to D. We can read it as is as. If the two ratios are equal, then we can say A, B, C are in proportion. If the two ratios are equal, we can say that A, B, C and D are in proportion. Here only I said equality of ratio is proportion. Equality of ratio is proportion. So if two ratios are equal, then we can say that terms A, B, C and D are in proportion. We can say that. This is simply about the proportion. Okay, based on this proportion, we have questions in the next exercise. Before that, one more small concept is there. Unitary method. What is unitary method? Very simple. Unitary method is, first we should find the value of 1 unit. Okay, unitary method. What is unitary method? Very simple. In this method, first we should find the value of 1 unit. Then we should find the value of required number of units value. Okay. Here, in this method, first find the value of 1 unit, then the required number of unit values. Okay, small example. If the cost of 3 pence 30 rupees. If the cost of 3 pence 30 rupees, then what is the cost of 5 pence? What is the cost of 5 pence? Here cost of 3 pence given, Then we should find the cost of 5 pence. Here, just first what I say, first find the value of 1 unit. 1 unit means here 1 pen cost. Cost of 1 pen, 30 by 3. Take the transpose. 3 ones are 3 tens are 30. So here we got it, cost of 1 pen 10 rupees. Here we got it, value of 1 unit. Right? Then we should find value of required number of units. Then we want to find cost of 5 pence. Cost of 5 pence. So 5 into 10, 50 rupees. 5 into 10, 50 rupees. Okay. Therefore the cost of 5 pence, rupees 50. This is the how to find the given question by using unitary method. Okay. Here very simple. First in this method, first find the value of 1 unit, then find the value of required number of unit. Okay. I hope you understand. Next I am going to start 11.4. Exercise 11.4. These questions are based on the unitary method. Easy questions only. Okay. Here first question just I am explaining. Exercise 11.4. First question, same on. If the 3 apples cost 45, then how much would 5 apples cost? Cost of 3 apples. Cost of 3 apples, given that rupees 45. Okay, then cost of 5 apples. Cost of 5 apples. Similar to what I took example. What a coincidence, right? Here instead of apples, we will keep pens. Okay. Cost is different anyway. Model is same only. So first what we should do? Cost of 1 apple. First find the value of 1 unit. So 45 divided by 3. 15. Okay. Here 3 ones are 3. One more 3. 5s are 15. So 15. So cost of 1 apple 15 rupees. Then required number of unit value. How many required? 5 apples. Cost of 5 apples. 5 into 15. Do the multiplication. If you know directly you can write 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, 75. Rupees 75. Therefore the cost of 5 apples. Cost of 5 apples rupees 75. Okay. Like this we can find the given question by using unitary method. Okay. I hope you understand. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me and share to your friends, relatives. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.